Learning to code can feel really scary and daunting. When you start learning, the syntax of the programming languages may feel like a foreign language. You need to learn a lot of new concepts, and you might have a feeling that it's too difficult to learn coding. Many of us start learning to code for a career change and often wonder if it's too late to start. And we all have fear of failure when we start something new. Don't worry if you have a similar feeling towards learning to code. In this course, we assume no programming background. We start from the very beginning. Every new concept introduced is well explained. As we progress through the course, we will show you how each pieces fit together with code examples. There are a lot of quizzes to test your understanding and help you with your learning process. Programming is a never ending skill that you need to develop. You can learn programming at any age. You just need to focus on learning and then keep practicing what you learn. Your age or existing skill level doesn't matter. With practice, you can be a good programmer. This course is for complete beginners to programming. We will start by guiding you through the steps necessary to write your first line of shift code. Then you will be introduced to concepts like variables, data types, operators, conditionals, loops, functions, arrays, optionals, structs, and many more. To understand the concepts better, you need to practice a lot. This course shows lots of example code. You can learn better by writing the code by yourself. There are quizzes associated with the lessons. While trying the quizzes, your understanding about a particular concept will be better. Once you get a question wrong, you will get detailed explanation what did you miss. We tried our best to make this course as accessible as possible. Hope it will help you understand not only the script language but also the programming in general.